naka-shirt.
Hoy, dapat meron tayo nakaprepare black calculator sa gilid.
Naririnig ka kayo.
Oh my god! Where are you? Anyway, follow me.
Private sa...
Okay.
Lahat siyang Robux para sa...
I'm following him.
Minsan may free.
Ay, my phone!
Uni, you have been bold since our first video.
You don't care. Sige, magbabag na lang ako para pares kami nakakakaibigan ko. I want the purple... Ay, di pala yun.
Bros! Where are you guys?
Ay, wait for me. Ano yung sabi ko? Do not disturb. Bakit may lumabas na YouTube?
Naririnig ko.
Threesome. Ay, sorry.
Who is this? He looks handsome. I'm gonna draw him.
No, I'm still bold. Turn off the, AC. Turn off the AC. Walang voice chat. Hello, hi, walang voice chat sa Rose. Confirm? Where I'm going? In your butt. Big Rose!
Naglalakad sa anak.
Hey! Where I'm going? Big Rose. Allow me to explain.
Please choose a robot friend.
Who the hell are you? Sa kano naman napunta?
Marla. A big bird.
Hindi sabay-sabay ang tunog.
Ano pinili niyo?
Rose,
Ano si Marla?
why are you speaking Tagalog?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Hindi ko siya alam to explain. Alam mo.
Oh my gosh.
Ito ko lang. Wow. What is it?
Oh.
Whee!
I am stupid.
Hi!
It's Uni. It's Universe.
Hey, you didn't wait for us.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let's wait for them.
I'm still,
I'm still...
I'm still, you did not pick
I'm still
Rose.
talking to this
Kaya
guy.
magkakaiba tayo.
Oh my god.
Rose. You did not pick Rose, kaya...
Ata.
I'm sorry.
You ugly.
Oh, hindi! Oh, no!
Oh, who is that? It's
Three of us are already in here.
that Ursula. Wait, hoy. Ay. Pwede ba ako makapunta dyan? Can I go there?
Guys,
Oh, you don't wait for us!
Too late?
guys, where are you guys?
You don't wait for us!
Sorry,
Is it too late?
Oh,
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
I'm here! Wow, let's wait for Absol.
Oh my god. Absolute na lang.
That's supposed to be.
Watch out for...
Because I'm iconic.
Wait, look at my waist. How can I change
Shut up, Ursula.
Can I change my color?
No.
100.
Gago.
Hey, no swearing.
Where's the headed up to the cinema?
He's
Absol.
absolute at the very, very low side. Yes, thank you very much. Hey, how do I change my color?
Do not enter yet.
I have to like you. Oh, it is by gender. So mine's blue and bitch. Guys, Lemon. Who is this bitch? No swearing. Who is this lemon? That's our rules to our.
I am.
This lemon juice is blue.
Yes.
Blue. Make your accent. She's blue. Okay. She's blue. You didn't wait for me.
Because it's my favorite color. Don't you not know?
I thought yellow is your favorite color.
But there's no yellow, bro.
I remember a kid approached you while your nickname is Lemon and because sabi nga is dahil maasim.
Sour.
Saan na ba si Jazz?
Wait, how?
Kill. Let's kill. Ay. What are we going to do here?
Wait. That's not lit.
I think Lemon is going without us.
Finished yet.
Where are you?
Still soaking.
Magsaslide ka lang.
So hard, okay? I am. Wait for me. Papunta kayo dito. But why is your IQ 24? And we're just 2.
He's using money.
Cheat.
Cheat.
Ano siya? What? Ugly.
What level are you?
Hoy, nauna kayo.
This is click button. Click it, Odaran.
You guys.
Please.
Wait,
What floor are you? Yay! Kami ni Sir.
Wait, let's join at the
Kami
same
ni
time.
Yuni.
Sapakin kita. I click the button. Find a way in this maze.
Okay, let's use this.
But I don't want to find.
Let's use our brain.
Oh, I am stupid. I need 3 persons.
It's here. It's here.
Both.
It's here. It's here.
Wait, my bald head is
I found.
confused.
I found. Follow. Follow my head. I follow.
My lead.
Follow my name.
My ball.
This is keypad floor. Find the code.
This is a keypad floor.
Is the code is in your head? 0000. What? Ano? 5921. Okay, fine.
My IQ is 6. Oh. Yes. I'm so smart.
11 na si Sam.
Where are you?
I'm a 7. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh. I'm awake. Oh, is that you ugly? What are you doing? Flying. I just saw you fly. Oh, you did? Oh, hi. The gate is open. Door, not gate. Where is you?
The dropper.
How do I do this? Gimme. Uh-huh. Oh, baliwan po. The code. It is a real headstand.
I don't care. You're not smart in real life.
The light. Oh my god!
Same number.
Hey, that's not.
Same number. Oh, it's Sarah.
I'm lagging.
Where is my mother? She's still there. What the hell is that?
We are not each other's.
Where is you? Where is you? Oh,
Oh.
4.
Oh.
What?
I forgot about that.
White, purple, green.
White, purple, blue, yellow.
What the hell? White,
Huh?
purple, blue, yellow. What the hell? Oh, white, purple, blue, yellow.
Huh? White, purple.
Yes.
Blue.
It's 5720. Oh, what is this? Yeah, my IQ is very 11.
My IQ is very.
This is a crate. You can push it around the party.
Okay.
You make a mistake. Reset your character to restart the floor. What?
You can, and this is a crate. You can use it around your body. Para saan? For what?
If you make what do I make? Oh, it's open.
Why do I keep getting codes?
Oh, it's open.
Triangles and cylinders geometry. No.
I hate geometry.
How do you open this door?
I don't know. I just reset.
Reset if you make a
Wait.
mistake.
I did not
Must be
pick
the shape.
a reset.
Must be the shape of
I
triangles
just
or cylinders.
ikot-ikot. Umikot-ikot lang ako. That's all. Oh,
Wait,
stupid.
yeah,
Oh,
29.
ew. Stinky.
I don't think you just spin around. I saw a button on top.
Oh, I didn't know. That is stupid. Sabi ko na eh. I know it. My bald head is dumb. No. Hello. Oh, I'm okay.
How do I jump?
That's why I'm called Universe, because Universe is bald.
Hey! That's a very bad joke.
Universe.
Universe doesn't have hair. It has air.
No,
What do I do?
Universe
Shut
doesn't
up!
have air.
Oh
You
my
really
gosh.
have low IQ.
I
Air
died so
doesn't
shut
contain
the fuck
air.
up.
Oh,
Huh?
did you just heard what I said?
No, I did not.
Your pussy has hair.
Air doesn't have air.
Ew. That's so... Bruh. Bruh.
Bra ng bra.
Do you want a bruh?
Panti-panti dapat.
Ew.
I hate this ball.
Hello, where's the blue?
Oh my god.
I don't know, my IQ is below.
My IQ is 13 years old.
Me too.
Me 12.
No.
Me 13. Hey!
No. This is stupid ball. Just go.
Bro, your bet stinks.
I hate this. Okay. The game is so hard.
Yes! Shut up.
I thought it was about general knowledge of IQ test.
The code is number of purple things.
Turns out it was blah blah blah.
1, 2,
The power is out
3.
if the levers to turn on the generator.
8. Ursula?
34.
Oh, how do I do this shit?
Hey! Stop.
Uy, how do I do?
Oh.
Lemonade!
Just say lemon.
I want lemonade. How do I do this?
I don't know.
Follow the winding path.
The robot that he chose is named Marla.
Ay, bobo.
What was the name of one of the other robots?
Andun lang pala sa taas, di ko pa makita.
Mines are rose.
John. What is the name of the fullest?
This is why your bag.
The name.
Oh.
Wait for me!
No, my box is stuck.
Why are we helping you? Leaderboard.
Come on.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Just move the box and jump. Something must always be on it.
The
Keep
back.
it active.
It's the back.
Oh. Oh.
The back.
Oh.
It's the back.
Oh.
I can't see this right now.
Then don't. Nobody asked. Add all the numbers on the floor for the count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
I'm recording, so please stop swearing. We're going to get killed.
I got cancelled.
I got dancing. Oh, young and sweet, young and fair.
Oh. Sure. My 9. Oh, is this your level earlier? What should I do? Oh, stupid. I got some vinyl. Not beautiful. Ah! Alam ko na. Alam. Ay!
There was too many levels. We cannot do
I'm at 43.
Yeah.
They are so slow.
Shut up.